friends. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is my family. Listen carefully and then repeat after me.
Families are an integral part of one's life. It does not matter if you have a small or big family, as long as you have one. A family serves as the first school to the child where one learns about various things. The basic knowledge about one's culture and identity comes from their family only. In other words, you are a reflection of your family. All the good habits and manners one has incorporated are from their family only. I feel very lucky to be born in a family which has made me a better person. In my opinion, families are an essential part of one's being. In this essay on my family, I will tell you why family is important. Families are a blessing not everyone is fortunate enough to have. However, those who do, sometimes do not value this blessing. Some people spend time away from the family in order to become independent. However, they do not realize its importance. Families are essential as they help in our growth. They develop us into becoming a complete person with an individual identity. Moreover, they give us a sense of security and a safe environment to flourish in. We learn to socialize through our families only and develop our intellect. Studies show that people who live with their families tend to be happier than ones living alone. They act as your rock in times of trouble. Families are the only ones who believe in you when the whole world doubts you. Similarly, when you are down and out, they are the first ones to cheer you up. Certainly, it is a true blessing to have a positive family by your side. My family has been always by my side in ups and downs. They have taught me how to be a better person. My family consists of 4 siblings and my parents. We also have a pet dog that is no less than our family. Within each family member lies my strength. My mother is my strength as I can always count on her when I need a shoulder to cry on. She believes in me more than any other person. She is the backbone of our family. My father is someone who will always hide away his troubles for the sake of his family. He has taught me the real meaning of strength. My siblings are my best friends on whom I can always fall back on. Even my pet dog has taught me the meaning of loyalty. He always cheers me up whenever I don't feel good. My family is my power that keeps pushing me to achieve newer heights. In short, I will forever be indebted to my family for all they have done for me. I cannot imagine my life without them. They are my first teachers and my first friends. They are responsible for creating a safe and secure environment for me at home. I can share everything with my family as they never judge one another. We believe in the power of love above everything, and that drives us to help each other to become better human beings.
Now we learn 2 important questions. Question number 1. Why are families important? Answer. Families are important because they nurture and develop us. They make us happy and give us the chance to become better human beings. Families enhance your confidence and make you believe in yourself. Question number 2. How do families act as pillars of strength? Answer number 2. Families are the pillars of strength because they give us the courage to face the world. They are always there when we need them. Even in the loneliest of times, families make us feel better.